Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm here with a very interesting project, helping a friend to restore a really nice plane, the Skymaster Super Hornet. This is the 1/8 size. This is for a 16 kg turbine. The overall length is 2.3 meters long and 1.7 meters wingspan, and it has been in storage for more than 10 years. This is a very old model, probably built originally back in 2011 or 10, around that time. And we started having some things to look at. The main ones are these hinges, right? These are called live hinges, right? So it means that there is a very thin layer of Kevlar. You can see here, very thin layer of Kevlar making the hinge, but due to time, even the Kevlar became brittle and broke. Here, the previous owner repaired it with glass fiber reinforced tape, but this is not the best repair, right? This is one thing. Then we need to find a way to clean up all these smudges, clean up the dirt, all the dirt, make a new railing and missiles, making the call it the hard points for the missiles. Also, I'm going to do the scale auxiliary tank that's going to go under the fuselage. So this is going to be an interesting project. I'm going to take it slowly because it requires a lot of work. We need to repair some, let's say, bad repairs in the past and make sure that everything is okay, working. We have some servos installed, flap and aileron, but we are going to see if all of them are okay. If not, we are going to replace with more modern servos, right? Because right now these servos are quite old, despite they are JR servos, but they are really old, right? Let me show you the other wing, so you can realize how is the hinging, right? This is a live hinge. The good thing is it's a zero gap hinge because you have it was supposed to be a flexible system here covering the gap, but now it's already stiff, right? And in this case, it's broken already. But okay, I already started cleaning up a little bit the dirt from this one. You see, this is a storage dirt. I cleaned up this one with some acetone. So keep posted. I'm going to start explaining what we are going to do. For the hinging, I've been checking online. There's no easy way of repairing. One could be to apply a very thin layer of Kevlar inside, but it's going to be very difficult to make sure that this is well aligned because going inside. And on the outside, okay, makes no sense because you will ruin all the details, rivets, and make it a much more bulky seam, right? So probably my plan is to create a rounded filler here that go all the way up to the tip, and with 4 pin hinges, so we can just attach the hinges to the wing the more traditional way. All right. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. We'll continue putting videos on the progress of this project. Please, thank you for watching and subscribe, and see you soon.